Hello, in this video we're going to go ahead and show you how to enable ad network conversion tracking. So conversion tracking is special code that the ad network gives you that allows you to track conversions made in Atmio back in your ad network. So you get a report in your ad network that shows not only where your impressions are, how many click-throughs you're getting, but also which of those are converting. And that allows you to optimize your campaign ad spend to spend money only on those areas that are driving conversions for you and not spend money where it's not helping. So conversion tracking goes on a form on a landing page. So when I create a form, I'm going to go ahead and create a form and I'll give it a name here. So let's say we're going to do this for AirPush conversion tracking test. And I'll go ahead and put a text block here. Say first name, formatted whichever way I want, bolded, etc. Right? Okay, done. I can add last name as well. Whatever I'd like, as many form fields as I want. It's not doesn't have any impact in conversion tracking. I put as many form elements as I'd like. Any type of form elements, it all works well. So anyway, there I've gone ahead and made my form. And down at the bottom, there's my submit button. So enter contest. Let's say I'm going to make the button and say submit contest, and I'm going to go ahead and make it a a green button background, and I'll make it large font. Okay, and let's say that when the customer submits the form, I can either, as you know, show them a message like thanks, or I can send them to another landing page. Conversion tracking for Atmio, when we automatically add the conversion tracking code, will work in this case where I have a submit action message, or for a redirect URL, it'll work as long as that next page is an Atmio landing page. If you send them to somewhere else, the conversion tracking will not work. So here, be sure if you use this that this is an Atmio landing page, atmio.com/m/abcdef or something like that. So for this demo, I'm just going to say thanks. They're not going to show a cancel button. Okay, and then down over here you'll see track conversions. So we have a number of ad networks that we've pre-built in support: AirPush, Google, Mobile Theory, Mojiva. And if there's another ad network that you have and you know the conversion tracking code, you can just go ahead and select other and enter the code there. And the ad network should be able to tell you what that code is, and you should just be able to enter it in the box, and we'll go ahead and execute it upon the form submit. But let's say I'm going to do this for AirPush, so I'm done, say save, and my form has been created. So now I've enabled conversion tracking on that form. Let me make a landing page and put that form on the landing page. So I'm going to go ahead and make a landing page, and I'm going to say AirPush LP, and I can obviously set up my landing page whichever way I want, background colors, etc. Right? So whatever I'd like to do. Set it up and as I would like. Okay, so then let's say I go ahead and make my landing page, and I'll go ahead and put an image and text block and all that other kind of good stuff. This is a test landing page. Okay. Go ahead and finish this up. And more importantly, let's go ahead and put that form that I just created. So put the form there, and it was called AirPush, right? Conversion tracking test, and done. So basically now what happens is that form will be put on the landing page, and when I save, you'll see that we add to your base landing page URL. Here's the URL for the landing page. We give you some additional stuff that AirPush requires to enable conversion tracking. So this entire URL is the one that you would use to go ahead and upload into your mobile ad network, in this case AirPush. Word for word, just put it in there, and the appropriate destination URL field for in the AirPush dashboard. And then what will happen is that when that URL, that landing page's URL is called, AirPush will send some information to the landing page. We will send that back to them upon the conversion occurring, and then you'll get a report in AirPush that shows the conversions, and you can go ahead and track that. If you were to use, for example, Mujiva as a mobile ad network instead of AirPush, the URL here would change automatically for the ad network that you're using. We change it based on working with the ad network. We know what the URL there is supposed to be, and we'll go ahead and put it in automatically so that you don't need to worry about those details. No programming needed. That's the whole concept, and we build in these integrations behind the scenes so it works. Okay, so very straightforward. Now you're done, and you can just, like I said, go ahead and use this URL, upload it into the AirPush domain dashboard, and you're ready to go. Thanks.